The Hibi is a famous Hi-Fi brand in digital audio player industry and getting popular due to the unique design and budget-friendly audio products. After a long time, I'm going to review on audio player, and the audio product I'm going to review today is a Hibi R3 Pro. The player has a 3 different version and have a different specs, but design is almost same. 2 version has a Saber DAC inside and the player name is R3 and R3 Pro Saber. Both player has a Saber DAC inside, and after R3 launch, the upgraded audio player launched with a dual DAC from Cirrus Logic, and this player called R3 Pro, the one I'm going to review today. I personally bought this product from the retail price of $199, is around 14,600 Indian rupees, and you can purchase it from Hi-Fi Go store. So feel free to click on my description box link and you will get the most updated price in a real time. I'm Wasim with Hi-Fi Techno India YouTube channel, and I'm here to help you guys to make that purchase decision. Welcome everyone in another review. Let's start this video with the technical specs of this audio player. It comes with a Ingenic X1000E CPU. Hibi OS operating system will support this audio player. Dual DAC from Cirrus Logic and DAC called CS43131, and it comes with a 3.5mm single-ended output and 2.5mm balance output. Battery capacity is 1600 mAh. Playtime would be 20 hours from 3.5mm and 16 hours from 2.5mm jack. Bluetooth version is 5.0. Wi-Fi band is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 3.5mm output is 60 mW and 2.5mm output is 210 mW. It supports micro SD card slot, USB-C charging, and this audio player support all the various audio format. Also, it is MQA certified audio player. Let's talk about the packing of this audio player. Hibi Pro comes in a very simple white box. It contains Hibi R3 Pro, the audio player, plastic cover for the protection of the DAP, 2 flexible screen protector, warranty certificate, instructions, and USB-C cable. The screen of the DAP is protected by a film, which is also indicate what each button or connection is for. The back is also protected. Let's talk about the design and comfort. Manufactured in textured aluminum alloy, this DAP has a weight of 95 gram and 3.2-inch IPS TFT panel protected by 2.5D glass. The performance and the size of the screen is excellent, being highly readable. On the lower side, there is a slot for the micro SD card on the left and the USB-C port on the right. On the right side from the top to bottom, you can see the power button, a small LED, a back button, a play pause button, and the forward button. The play pause button has a midpoint for an easy location. On the upper side to the left is the 3.5mm connector, which also serves as a line output. On the right is the balanced 2.5mm output. Both connections are gold plated with a thick flange. On the left side, there is a double button to control the volume. All the buttons make a slight click when pressed, and their operation is smooth and effective. As a conclusion, both the design, shape, control and screen getting high degree of satisfaction to have it in our hands. Let's talk about the operating system of this audio player. The audio player has a Hibi operating system, which is a very simple and quite basic. The navigation has a little bit of an Android influence with the drop down and the slide up quick access option bars. Importing music to SD card is quite easy. Getting OS update via OTA is easy too. Tidal Kubos is work very well on this audio player. It has a unique equalizer called MACB. Actually is a stand for a Mega Sound 8 ball. This is a Hibi Music own unique DSP mixer that tweak areas using words that audiophile loves to think about. MACB is also more involving than the standard equalizer that Hibi also provide an option on R3. Let's talk about the sound performance of this DAP. Hibi R3 Pro quite neutral, punchier sound with a slightly more natural overtone and a rich vocal delivery. The bass in a deep, powerful with a good punch but without sounding hard. It is a great improvement in the resolution of the bass without losing any power in the whole segment. As a result of all this, the Hibi R3 Pro become a really great ally of electronic music. Let's talk about mids. Mid-range sound very organic and realistic with a neutral tone. The R3 Pro basically give a cleaner mids with a more detail and space. Instruments and voices are reproduced very well. Remarkable texture and its excellent musicality without being a mid-central DAP. The mids takes the lead. For the price of $199, I think the Pro does a very good job in terms of tonality and presentation of the mids. Now we talk about treble. The upper zone reflects the power of the resolution of R3 Pro. It's double DAC, providing a refined, smooth treble. You also have a better treble extension and better micro detail with the Pro. Just like the mids, there is more space and air in this section. The treble is not thin, sharp and hurtful. Their balance remains neutral. It excellent technical level given its price range. Now we talk about soundstage and separation. Soundstage of this R3 Pro improve on staging depth. The generated scene feel wider, more vivid and dynamic with more heights and three-dimensional feeling. A higher quality sound, very clean, clear, pleasant and deep reproduction. This is the audio performance of this player. If there are negative thing about this audio player, the Bluetooth has a problem in sound performance when you connect to a Bluetooth headphone, but it may be fixed with a future firmware update. And if I talk about pros, access to Tidal, Kubo streaming, full MKOA decoding, sound quality, compact size, battery life, two-way Bluetooth and LDAC, balance output. So overall, this is the best audio player in this price. I would give a rating 4.7 out of 5 and I would recommend this device, and Hi-Fi Go store link in the description. You can also buy from the official Hibi store. So let me know what you guys think about this audio player. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like the video and share this video with your other audiophile friends. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel to follow my journey to help and support my work. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, bye bye.